Hi guys, if you look closely at a map of Tallinn, you'll notice a circular lake. I decided to find out what that is. So we're getting closer to the circular housing estate. On the map it seems to be called VÄIKE-õISMÄE, I think, or something similar to that. This is another very mixed area. Here you've got typical commie block, and then over here there's another commie block, but these two blocks look fairly new and a little bit nicer maybe, and they're not finished yet. I can tell. These ones are impressive. So õISMÄE, I think, is the correct pronunciation of this sub-district. Very yellow. So it seems that the middle of this õISMÄE place, you can see by the circular roads, is parks and running tracks and nice stuff like that. So you can't appreciate the big circle on the map from here, but you can see that these buildings are all curved. As we're near the middle of the circle. So I made it into the middle of the circle. So the middle of the circle is this lake with this large green area and walking path around it, and then scores of other sports courts and commie blocks all around.